Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your Google account profile picture. Now to do this, you can do it from any Google app at all. You can pick from Google Drive, Gmail, Google Map, Meet, Photos. You can even do it from your Gemini app. So I want to do it from Gemini. You tap on it, and then after tapping on it, next thing you're going to do, you click on your profile icon where your picture is, and then you tap on the picture again, and you can see Google Photo profile picture. So if you want to change it, you click on change, and once you click on change, you can now decide to pick from the illustrations that are presented to you, or you can pick from your device photo. It all depends on you. So once you've chosen the one you want, for example, let's say I want to use Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your profile picture on your Google account. The first thing you do is note that you can change your profile picture from any of your Google accounts, your Gmail. You can change from your Gmail, from your Google Maps, Google Meet, any Google account. You can even change from Gemini. I'm going to show you how to change from Gemini. So click on the Gemini app, and then you click on your profile icon at the top right corner. And then you click on your profile icon again, and now you can see your profile picture. So you can click, you have two options, change or remove. So you can click on change if you want to change it. Then we have two more options, illustrations and device photos. Do you want to change it from the illustrations or from device photos? Let's say I want to change mine from illustration. I click on it, and then click on next. There are many things you can do. You can crop and do all that. So it will take a day or two to see the change across all your Google services. So once you're through, you click on save as profile picture. It's as simple as that. That is how to change your Google account across your all Google services. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.